Picture this, you just worked along a month at your job. You check your bank account, $2,000 paid, but only 1,456 arrived. Where did your money go? Federal income tax, state tax, social security, Medicare, invisible force quietly taking a slice. And most people just accept it. But what if I told you there is smarter way to manage it? Subscribe to Everyday Finance Tips and Education and share this video to help someone finally take control of their money. Tax funds civilization, roads, schools, public health defense, but not all tax are created equal. Income tax is your paycheck, sales tax is your bank spending capital. Gains tax is your investment, social security is forced retirement saving. Medicare fund is healthcare for older or sick people. Problem. Most people never think strategically about reducing this cost. Solution keeps track of dedication, contribute to retirement accounts. Use credit where is possible if you are understand how the system works. You can legally reduce your taxable income to keep more money in your pocket. Meta Maria, she contribute to 401k and tracks her dedication at the end of this year. She legally saved $500 simply by understanding the system. Small steps like this add up over time. You think your money is safe in the bank. Think again through fractional reserve banking. Most of your deposit is loaned out. Banks profit by lending at higher interest than they pay you. Your money isn't just sitting in a vault, it is working for someone else. Banks keep only a fraction of deposits on hand. If you everyone withdraw at once, the system would collapse. Remember 2008 problem. Most people do not realize banks aren't just a safe, they are fractional intermediary. Solution keeps deposit with an FDIC insurance limit is $215,000 in the US. Choose account they pay interest. Understand how bank works to make them work for you, not other way around. John keeps $15,000 in an insured saving account, earning 3% interest. His money is safe, grows slowly, and he avoids over leveraged bank loans. Awareness is worthy. If you are learning someone new, subscribe and share this video. Everyday finance tips and education is here to help you win with money. Interest is either your worst enemy or your silent employee. 12% peer odds missed on a credit card. That could become 50 up to 100 invested wisely. That could become $400,000 over decides. Let us break it down. Simple interest is equals to flat fee. Compound interest is equal to interest on interest. When borrowing, it grows your debt. When investing, it multiplies your wealthy problem. Most people let interest work against them. Solution killer high interest debt immediately let investment compound over time. Interest is either your silent enemy or your unpaid employee. The choice is yours. Sarah had $10,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest. She paid it off in 2 years. Meanwhile, her $500,000 investment in a compound interest fund grows to $900,000 over the same period. Timing matters. Subscribe and share help others learn to make interest work for them, no against them. You bought a bag of chips for $5 last month, now it is $6. That is inflation. Your money is slowly losing value. Problem. Cash setting idle is losing purchasing power every day. Too much money charging too few goods, supply shortage, or just an expectation that price rise. This is all drive inflation. A little is normal, 2% per year, but speaks can destroy saving. Solution invest in an asset that outpaces inflation. Do not hard crash. Even a small monthly investment can protect your purchasing power every decides. Recession hits you without warning. Jobs vanish, market tumble, and panic spreads. Problem most people sell at the worst time. Solution keep 3 up to 6 months of expense in a safe account. Diversify investment use recession to buy undervalued asset. Patency pays off. If this is helping you plan smarter, hit subscribe and share to protect someone else's money too. Your credit score is the three-digit number that controls the interest rate you pay and whether you can get house, car, or even a loan. Ignore it and it can cost you thousand. Payment history is equals to 35% credit utilization is equals to 30% age. Mixing the new credit is equals to remaining 35% rate. It lacks a loyal pit feed. It pays on time and it rewards you. Solution: build positive credit history. Diversify credit type and avoid missed payment. A good score lower interest, more trust, and better. Financial freedom. Money is worried a dollar bill has value. Sticks does not, but why? Because social collectively agree it has value. Money is social construct. Its power comes from trust, not magic. Problem. Most people never understand how money follows. Governments print, central banks regulate it, and people trade it print too much. Inflation too little. Economic struggle. Understanding this is key to financial decision making. Solution: learn the rule, watch inflation, interest rate, and central bank policy. Knowledge helps you anticipate change, protect your wealth. In Argentina, people lost saving because money supply exploded in the US. Carefully monitor policy keeps inflation predictable. Awareness allows smarter financial choice. Subscribe and share to help friends understand how money really works. Everyday finance tips and education is here to guide you. You know inflation now. The best way to protect your money, investing instead of trading time for money. You make money works for you. Stock is equals to ownership slice of company. Bonds is equals to loans to government or companies with interest funds. Diversify collection of stock and the bonds. Real estate is equals to property. Other pay to live in a problem. Many people never invest or think they need luck. Solution: invest constantly, diversify your portfolio, and stay patent. Compounding turns a small constant contribution into massive wealth. Overall said, the danger. Doing nothing and letting inflation silently steal your future. A simple $100 monthly investing at 7% compound grows become over $100,000 in 30 years. Ordinary people can retire rich simply by restarting early and saving constant. Subscribe to share this video with someone who wants to start investing early. Everyday finance tips and education shows the way. Wealthy isn't about lucky, it is about value. Pick up rock, it is worthy, nothing make it is gold. Or in an iPhone, it suddenly compound. Higher price people pay for value, not effort alone. Problem: most people chose money instead of value. Steve Jobs didn't sell phone. He created something millions value. Doctor and the lawyer earn high income because there is value is recognized. Solution: focus on creating value, learn a skill of service, innovate, even perceived value can generate income. High value is equals to high earning. Meta Alex by specializing in a rare skill. He charges premium rates. Income scale because the value scale, not ours. Work, that is the secret of wealthy creation. If you are ready to increase your value, subscribe and share everyday finance tips and education. Helps you turn a skill into money. Time is the most valuable asset in the world. Most people trade time for money, but the wealthy makes time work for them. Problem: working only for paycheck limits wealthy time invested in a skills. Business and investment multiplies return exponentially. Solution: start investing early, focus on skill building, make decisions that multiply your time, like automation, delegation, and long term investment. Starting 10 years early can create tens of thousands. More in retirement time plus compounding is equals to unstoppable wealth engine. Subscribe and share this video to help someone realize the power of time. Everyday finance tips and education show you how to use it wisely. Investing isn't just stock and a bond. Advanced strategy helps grow wealthy while minimize risk. Problem: putting all eggs in one basket. Increase risk. Solution: diversify across asset classes, sector, and geographical balance risk and rewards. Solution: use dollar cost over changing to reduce timing risk. Index funds give the market return with low fee. Right is a low or real estate income with indirect property management. Smart trust strategy multiply wealth safely. A diversified investor turns $10,000 into $215,000 over 30 years with constant strategy. Potency in the knowledge beat luck every time. Subscribe to share this anyone serious about growing wealthy. Everyday finance tips and education teaches preventing strategy. Most people make the same financial mistake over and over debt, ignoring credit, over reliance on cash, and it costs them back. Problem: high interest debt solution pay it off first. Ignoring credit scare solution build and maintain it. Not investing solution start small and stay constant. Lack of emergency funds solution 3 up to 6 months expense saved. Meta Jordan paid off $15,000 credit card debt, but $10,000 emergency funds started $100 a month. Investment plan result financial stress decrease. Future lacks scale. Subscribe to share to help the other avoid costly mistake. Everyday finance tips and education makes it simple. Let us recap. Mastering money isn't about lucky. It is understanding tax, banking, interest, inflation, credit. Investing value creation using time wisely. Each step build your financial freedom. Your action plan: start tracking, start saving, start investing, start creating value, and start letting time work. For your small, constant step, create exponential result. Subscribe to Everyday Finance Tips and Education. Share this video and comment to Mastering Your Money. Your future saver work. Thank you for watching this video. Up to next video.